Opportunities are the fuel of strategic growth, but not everything that looks promising is truly an opportunity. In this video, we're breaking down what actually makes something an opportunity, how to recognize one, and how to avoid chasing distractions that drain resources. An opportunity, by definition, is a favorable external factor that your organization can use to its advantage. These aren't things you control directly. They're conditions in the market, technology, customer behavior, or regulatory environment that you can respond to. The key is alignment. A real opportunity is one that matches your strengths and advances your goals. So what qualifies? First, relevance. A true opportunity aligns with your mission, your capabilities, and your strategic direction. It's not just a shiny object, it fits your purpose. If you're a healthcare company, a trending fashion app isn't an opportunity, but a new health tech regulation or a rise in telemedicine adoption, that's aligned. Second is timing. Opportunities have a window. If you wait too long, the moment passes. If you jump too soon, the market might not be ready. Look for signals, shifts in consumer needs, new technology reaching maturity, or changes in laws or supply chains. The best opportunities often emerge in times of disruption or transition. Third is leverage. A good opportunity lets you build on your existing strengths. It's not about starting from scratch. It's about expanding your reach, entering a new segment, or solving a new problem using assets you already have. If it requires completely retooling your organization, it might not be the right fit. Fourth, there's scalability. Can this opportunity grow with you? Can it evolve into something sustainable, repeatable, or even transformational? The best opportunities don't just give you a quick win, they open doors to long-term value. You also want to assess competitive dynamics. Is this a wide-open space or already saturated? If your competitors are slow to act, you may have a first-mover advantage. If everyone is racing toward the same idea, you need a clear differentiator. Sometimes the best opportunities are the ones others have overlooked. Customer insight is another powerful source. Pay attention to what your audience is struggling with, searching for, or excited about. What are they trying to achieve that you can help with? Customer-driven opportunities tend to have high traction because they solve real felt needs. Finally, look at the risk-reward ratio. Every opportunity comes with uncertainty, but the best ones offer outsized returns relative to the effort or risk required. If something feels risky but game-changing and it aligns with your mission and strengths, it's worth a closer look. A common mistake is mistaking ideas for opportunities. Not every idea is strategic. Not every trend is relevant. That's why filtering is just as important as discovery. You want to focus on the right few, not the distracting many. In your SWOT analysis, opportunities are more than nice-to-haves. They're your path forward. And when you choose them wisely, they become the bridge between what you're good at today and what you can become tomorrow.